Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, Wednesday, so we are outside of Meijer. Meijer has some deals today, that's all I gotta say. It's basically the same as last week, except for a few small changes. For some reason, they're really trying to push the donate food pantry thing. Like, I feel like it's so printed so much in the ad. Maybe that's just me and just being dramatic, but yeah, there's that subscribe button down below if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as part of my channel. There is quite a few deals. We're going to be using ibotta for sure, but without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. We have an amazing deal on these Crayola gum twistable flossers. These are the 75 count ones that are made for children. I mean, I've used them, so whatever. I'm a child at heart, I guess. They're on sale for $1.69. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them 69 cents. Or if you want the adult ones, you can look for the ones that are the 150 count ones. They're on sale for $2.89. We have a $1 digital coupon that works on those, making them $1.89. You can grab one of these pure silk shaving creams. They're on sale for $2.39. We have a $1 digital coupon, making them $1.39. We also have this hair removal cream on clearance. It's about 25% off, so if you need some of that too, check your store. Some of the Always Discreet products and the Hazel underwears are on clearance. These are $16.09 and they were $23. And these are $11.89 and they were $16.99. If you like the Tree Hut products, check your store for some clearance. We have some that are like almost 50% off and then some that are like 25% off. So this is a great time to grab some of the sugar scrubs if that's a product you like. Now, I normally don't look at makeup at all because I don't find the deals here for makeup, but this caught my eye. These L'Oreal Paris lip, there's certain colors of this lip gloss that's $2.37. I think that's actually like a pretty good price. That one's $2.87. They also have some True Match foundations. They're $3.12. This Berry Blush one, I think that's a good price. Y'all, we have some hidden well, I mean, it's not really hidden, but it's marked down clearance even further. So this hand cream gift set, it's marked at $8.39 and it is $3.89. This lip balm set, $3.59. This other lip balm set, $3.59. Then we have this one at the very end is also $3.59, so definitely check your store. This is why I always pay attention to what's been on clearance and how long it's been on clearance for. If I use hand cream, some of these do seem like they would smell good, so I hate the feeling of lotion and stuff. I don't know why. It's just a pet peeve of mine. Y'all remember when like these little hand sanitizers were so popular? And I feel like Meijer just got these and now they're on clearance at my store. I think they were what, the dollar store or something, that was like these were so popular. So if you like them, definitely check your store. Y'all, look what I found. These Stella and Chewy cat treats. This is the only bag and it was just like chilling on this end cap with and like nothing else. The rest of them in the area are like full price, so this is so amazing. And my cats really like this, and for $6 I feel like that's a win. There's a ton of the I Love You cat food deals this week, so you're gonna grab one of the 12 can containers for $18.99. We have a $7 digital coupon. You'll pay $11.99. Submit to ibotta for $3, making it just $8.99. Another great deal is on the single count cans. They're $1.69. You'll grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free coupon, making them $1.69 for both. Another really good cat food deal is on the I Love You squeeze treats. This is the 4 count one. They're $3.15. You'll grab 2 of them. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.15 for both. Submit to ibotta for 50 cents back on each one, making them $2.15 for both. We also have decent savings on the wet dog food toppers of the I Love You brand. They're $1.99. We have a buy one get one free digital coupon, making 2 of these $1.99. So a sad update, guys. My dogs do not like the Love Fresh meatballs either. I bought the two before. They didn't like that. Well, my older dog didn't like that. The puppy will eat it, but my older dog will not touch the meatballs, which is funny because they both like the Blue Buffalo dry food or like the wet food pouches. I forgot to mention it while I was up there, but the PG Spend 40 Get $10 off is through the end of this Meijer weekly ad, so to the 23rd. So if you want to do that, you can grab some additional savings on like Head and Shoulders or herbal essences or other select products that work for it. Also, friendly reminder, the Kimberly Clark is also this full week through the 23rd, so it's spend 60 on tons of different items like Poise and Cottonelle and all that, and you'll get $15 off, which is super easy to do. Just make sure you're grabbing products that qualify. Check your store for some Immunity instant oatmeal. Strawberry peach does sound good. It's $1.29 off. Simple savings on food. The rice-a-roni or the pasta-roni are on sale $1 per box, or you can grab the Knorr rice or pasta products. They're on sale 4 for $5. There's a $1 digital coupon, making them just $1 per pouch. Easy deal on popsicles. You're gonna stay cool this summer. You can grab something like this sugar-free 18 count, the orange cherry grape, or the regular one. They are 2 for $8 on sale. We have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll use that. You'll pay $6 at the register. You'll take your receipt, submit it to ibotta for $2 back on buying 2, making them $4 for both boxes. We have an amazing deal on these protein pints. I've never tried them. I've tried Halo Top in the past. I'm assuming they're relatively the same. So they're on sale for $4.99, and you're going to grab 3 of them for $14.97. We're going to submit to ibotta for $7.99 when buying 2. They say it's a buy one get one free offer, which is amazing for that price. And then we're going to submit to an aisle. When you buy 3, you'll get reimbursed for 1, so we'll get $4.99 back. Make them $1.99 for all 3 containers. Don't forget to grab your easy dinner this week. DiGiorno pizzas are on sale 2 for $10. Great deal on the Tyson chicken. If it's something that you like, they're buy one get one 50% off on the small packs. So you can grab like the chicken breast or the like the thinly sliced or the regular ones. Or if you like the drumsticks, they're 99 cents a pound. Taylor Farm salad kits are buy one get one 50% off. Great deal on raspberries if you like them. These 6-ounce containers are 2 for $5. Sweet corn ears of corn are 3 for $1, so that's not bad. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I only grabbed the I Love You cat treats, the clearance cat treats that I found, and then the protein pints. So we have the I Love You cat treats, and then you can see $3.15 came off for for that coupon. Then we have ice cream. Now we'll get into that in a minute. Then we have the cat clearance, was $6. Apparently I had the 20% off coupon clipped, so it took off an extra $1.20, which is super nice. So my subtotal before taxes is about $23. I submitted to ibotta for $9.09. Then I submitted to aisle. Now, since one of the protein pints bringing in is ice cream, it said that you need to buy 3 in 1 receipt. So I was like, I wrote out the word help and then sent that and support and another one, and then I wrote I bought 3 in 1 on the same receipt. So usually when I do that, or like I'll say I actually bought the item, blah blah blah, it goes through, and they'll sometimes it does take a couple days, unfortunately, for them to get back to you. I've only seen it take like 2 days, so it's not the end of the world. But I should be getting the $4.99 back from aisle, so it will make everything like half off, everything I grabbed, I want to say, because I didn't do the math, and it's raining outside, so I'm not a fan of the rain. So I'll make everything about $9, which I think is a really good deal. But But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.